Oh, I'm sorry, guys. I'm just feeling myself. Your girl got her hair done on Monday. Let me show y'all. Okay. Because I'm feeling myself. Because you guys know I was looking like a bum. I was looking like somebody. I'm going to say somebody crackhead mother, but that's not nice. I was looking terrible. But I'm good. And I'm sorry. I know it's been a little bit long time. It has been like 9 days. 9 days too long. But I'm here and I'm back. I'm back. I was gonna record sooner. I was gonna record Monday when I went to the salon to do my hair. But what happened was Monday was a long time. Like it was a long day and I was tired. So I was in the train and I called my hair salon and told them I was gonna come at 5:30 because I know they close at 7. So you don't want to just go somewhere and while calling and they left early because sometimes they might leave early depending on the last person that's there. So I was like, let me call because I don't want to go there nowhere for no reason. Cause could be in my bed, sleeping. So I called her and she was like, yeah, you could come at 5:30. But I didn't get off the train until like 5:25 and take 8 minutes to walk there. So I'm running. I'm like this. I'm running. And when I got there, I forgot all about recording because I'm tired. So I'm like, you know what? Let's get this done. And plus, my hair wasn't braided, so they had to take the knots, the braids, not like a little. You know how sometimes you braid your hair, it leaves like a little knot. So like take it out, and it was washing it. So that was just it was a lot. It was draining. It was a lot. It was draining. So I just totally forgot. But I wanted to, excuse me. I wanted to like record and wash my hair, put me on a blow dryer, putting me under the dryer for the deep conditioner, and then blow dry my hair. Cause I don't sit there for an hour under the dryer with the curl in my hair with the pin bob, the not pin, the rollers in my hair. I don't do that because the hair's natural. So, but then I was tired and I forgot. So I was like, today let me just share my experience of my self care because about self care and positive affirmation and doing making yourself happy. I'm happy. Like I'm looking great. And I know you probably want to like, if you're tired, why would you go on a Monday? Like go on a weekend, duh, like duh, right? I know, duh, right? But no, this is why I went on a Monday. I usually don't go on a Monday. I usually go on Saturday and Sunday because I have all day to go. But I wanted to save some coin. Who do want to save some coin? And on Monday and Wednesday, my hair salon has a special. Monday, Wednesday with washing set, and blow it. I don't know. Washing set is $35. But for a natural like me, it's $45. But on a regular day, it's $55 when it's not Monday, Wednesday. So I'm like, that's a $10 save. Who doesn't want to save $10? Like, would you rather be tired and do your hair and save $10, or be well awake and don't save $10? Which one? I picked to be tired and save $10. I love saving because everything's so expensive. Everything is so expensive. Like the paycheck is the same, but food, but rent is expensive, light bill, cable bill, and food. Food. Like, why are we paying $6 for eggs? Why? Make it make sense. Remember when eggs used to be $1? Now eggs is $6. Well, I don't pay $6 for eggs. Hell no, I refuse because I'm cheap. I'm gonna say cheap, but I'm not cheap. I'm just good at saving and good at getting the deals. So I'm gonna put you guys on. This wasn't about like saving and good deals. This wasn't about that. This was supposed to be about me talking about my experience at the hair salon and all that. But since we on saving, let me put you on to this website called Flipp. So you don't have to pay $6 for no egg for one egg, one dozen egg, because that's ridiculous. So this is a website called Flipp. I'm gonna put you guys on because we need to save together. We need to save because They're not paying more, but the cost of living is going up. So we right here, we need to put each other on. So this is website called Flipp. Website called Flipp, right? And on the website, what you do is you type in. You can go by like you can search it based on like all the circulars, so all the stores, and compare the stores like that. Or you can search what you need. Let's say eggs. We need eggs, and then boom, eggs pop up. So you see how these eggs are $3.99. I would go to this store and pay 99 cents for it instead of $4. Or I would go to I'll pay $2 for it. Whatever store you want to go to, Pathmark, pay $2 or whatever store you want to go to. Or let's say you need bread, and I'll choose whatever bread is cheaper. Or sometimes I'll go to the whole circuit, and I'll look at each supermarket and whatever is like 4 or 5 things that's in sale for each or more, depending on what's on sale for each supermarket. I will go to different supermarkets. Yep, that's what I do. And what I also do, to be on the topic, I also go on, just making sure I'm still calm. I also go on like ShopRite because I have the ShopRite app, and then you sign on. I'm not about to sign in right now because I don't want to put my password in. And then like when you sign in, it says load, so I load wherever I need, and then once you know loaded, once you get to the cash register at ShopRite, you put your phone number, and then your loaded coupon automatically will show on the register, and you will save because your coupon is associated with your phone number. So once you put your phone number in, or give the people your phone number, put your phone number in the machine, then your coupons will automatically, you know, it will automatically access your coupon you save. So let's say if you spend have 99, let's say you spend $100 and you have coupon worth to 50, and it's gonna automatically deduct it, and the final price will be $50. And I also have one for Stop and Shop as well. So yeah, that's what I do because your girl is not about to. That's what I do because your girl is not about to spend $6 on no eggs. Your girl is not trying to break the bank. So that's what I do. So if you guys want to know that website, Flipp, I'm gonna post it again. Okay. Let me go back to the website. This Flipp. This is it again. All you do, you want bread, and show you the different supermarket, eggs, whatever, or you go to all the circular and compare like that. Or again with like the ShopRite, you can just log in, put load, and then let's say if you have $100 worth of stuff and you load up to like $50 worth of coupon, $50 savings, then it will automatically change it, and you only have to pay $50. So you don't have to do anything. You don't have to show the person the coupon. You just put your number in, or you give them your number, and it just magically just change the price of your items based on the coupons. Okay? Yes, because we're trying to save here. We're trying to save here. You know? You're welcome. You're welcome. Like I do with my family. Like I know that. Oh my god. Okay. It's gonna sound weird to you guys about myself. Well, this is get to know me, right? So I'm kind of like weird. Like okay, this is gonna be a story time. So one time we went to my sister got a timeshare in PA. So one time, um, we went to the supermarket, right? And my brother's girlfriend, um, she was in the aisle and she was gonna get this cookie from, was it Walmart? Or was it, I forgot where it was. Was supermarket or was it Walmart? I forgot what it was. And I was like, oh, get it. I'm like, because I'm like in the Bronx, the city, this is $5 and this sell for $3. That's good. I know the price of everything. I know the sell price and market price. I know I be knowing because I go to different supermarkets and I just look at different price and I like to coupon. I like to save and I know like what's a good price, what's a real price of things. I know. I love it. I love doing stuff like that. I love like like getting stuff on sale and like looking at the real price and looking at the save price. Like this really, you're really saving. You know how people like something's $5 and you save and it's $4.50. That's saving, but that's it could be more. You could say more than that depending on what someone can go to using Flip or using ShopRite coupon. You could say more than that. I know I beat no, but you know I know the original price of everything food related. Ask me, I'll tell you original price, and I'll tell you this what's a good sell price and a lot and what supermarket usually put it on sale for. I can tell you that. I'm good like that. But anyways, yeah, you're welcome. I'm gonna put Flip down below in the comments or part of my description. Yeah, let's get back to my hair. Let's get back to my hair, okay? Because that's what the topic was. My beautiful hair. So let's get back to that because that was the topic was. The topic was my beautiful hair. So let's get back to that. Okay, so what were you saying about my hair? Okay, yes. So I go on Monday. I usually don't go on Monday, but I went this Monday because I wanted to pay 45, so 55. Wanted to save $10, and so like I said, my hair is I don't have a perm. It's natural. So this is shampoo and conditioner that I use. It's this is a conditioner. It's good for it's kind of expensive, but it's good for natural hair. It lasts for like it makes your hair straight for like a month, 3 weeks to a month and a half. While putting a perm, sometimes 2 months with one set with one sitting. This is the conditioner, and this is the shampoo. I used to have the little conditioner, the round one. I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about, but I used it all. Gotta order more. So I'm gonna go on that website. So this is the website. If you want that website, it's gonna be down below. So this is it has the little round one, the little round thing. The little round is the conditioner. It's very very good. Make your hair. That's the thing that make your hair very 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 straight for like 3 and 4 for like a month and a half. The other one works too, but that one really works. Yeah, and also get this oil thing. This not the oil like it's you know how when this I like to get this too. So you know how when those at the salon do your hair and they put the oil thing on your hair. So I like to get this to make the hair move straight too. Like you, which if you do it at home, like you did it at the salon. So yeah, um, yeah, I put that down below. Yep, and my that was my Monday. That's how I save money. $10 save $10, and that's how I save money on food. And yeah, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and that's what I have. Till next time. Bye.